The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
He was like saying he was gonna break my hand and kill me. He was never mad at her, as much as he was at me. But
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, there's an audio circulated on social media where it is said that females accuse the Jacure of threatening them, you see me? And in that audio, these persons went on to explain what they said happened between them and a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Jacure. Take a listen to this small piece and observe.
so finally, she was like, "I'm just gonna go have sex with him. Then he'll let us leave. Like, he's not gonna make us pay for the flights." And I was like, "You don't have to." And she's like, "No, we're never gonna."
So, these persons went on to talk some more about what they said happened between them and the Jacure, you see me? And, I listened to the audio and it seems as if this audio is somewhat of an interview, because I heard where someone asks these persons a question in the audio that I heard, you see me? I'm not sure if there is any more out there about this audio, but listen this piece of the audio, you see me? And, maybe give you an understanding if it is an interview or not. Listen this piece.
So wait, he came up to you and just asked you to lick his booty hole just out of the blue, or were you guys having sexual conversation first, or?
We're not having a sexual conversation.
So as I continue to listen to this audio that is out there on social media, I get the understanding that one of the females said that not only that Jacure threatened her, but that Jacure also sexually assaulted her. Alright? Now I'm going to play a little piece more of this audio so that you can have a understanding as to what I just said. Alright? Now listen and observe.
All the things that had happened the night before of him hovering over me and, like, masturbating on top of me. And I was just like, "Get off me. Like, who are you?"
So I listened the audio some more, viewers and subscribers, and I said to myself, maybe these persons are talking about someone else and, persons on social media got it mixed up. So therefore, I listened the audio and there's a part in the audio where Jacure name had been mentioned, and it would seem as if that is somewhat of a confirmation that these persons might be actually talking about Jacure the musician. Alright? Take a listen to this and observe again.
And now you want to have sex with me, kind of a thing. Like, he made it seem like there was no option. Like, why wouldn't I want to be with Jacure?
So, viewers and subscribers, I heard the name Jacure in that audio, isn't it? So, it seems as if these persons are actually talking about Jacure the musician. You understand? Now, viewers and subscribers, you see, me is the kind of person, I love to listen. Yeah, I listen. I don't just quickly judge and say, yo, a true. No. You see what I'm saying to you? I play these pieces of audios so that you can get somewhat of an understanding about the audio that I'm talking about. You see what I'm saying to you? And to confirm the things that I'm saying. According to some things that have been said about the audio on social media, and according to some of the things that I understand about the whole situation, it is said that there's a video circulating on social media, and according to what had been said about that video, it is said that the video had been recorded during the incident that is being talked about in this audio. You see me? Now I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, and if you click that link will take you to the previous video that I did about that video, where it is said that the video had been recorded at the time when a person who goes by the name of Jacure threatened the females. You understand me? Now, Moaya, please bear in mind, I am not confirming these things to be the truth. You see me? I am just telling you according to what had been said on social media. So in my point of view, these things to me are just allegations and accusations. You understand? I wasn't there. I'm just telling you according to what had been said on social media. You see, me, I love to think and listen. Listen properly before me jump to conclusion. You see me, I say? You might be surprised to know that some of the things said in this audio might not be the truth. You see me? So viewers and subscribers, let me just tell you like it is. Remember, me never tell us how it go. Alright. Anyways, I'm going to move on to a video right about now. You can let me know what you think about that audio that is circulating on social media. Alright. Now, the video that I'm going to present to you, this video is out on social media where it is said that Macka Diamond confronted Pretty Dan in a lyrical confrontation. Now, some of the comments on social media gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that Pretty Dan ran from the clash or Pretty Dan ran from the lyrical confrontation. You understand? But however, viewers and subscribers, you know, in my point of view, this is only a piece of a video. You see me? I mean, more things might have happened, so therefore I'm going to ask this question before I present the video to you. You see me? I say, did Pretty Dan actually run from the so-called clash or lyrical confrontation? You see me? Let me know what you think, alright? Now, I'm going to present this video to you, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Your brain can stick out to harder. Your brain bar box which one you're harder. And we ain't telling that you are gonna be the harder. I'm gonna let you walk right up on the harder. Because you said, pretty, ugly Dan. You feel a holy lyrics for you. But who you say, never talk.
Viewers and subscribers, and I really run Pretty Dan run from the clash or the so-called lyrical confrontation. I really run she run. Let me know what you think, your viewers and subscribers. I mean, in my point of view, you know, I can't say that she run, but you know, it seems as if she move out of the way to me. You see me? But however, this is just a piece of a video, so who knows what might have happened for the rest of that night or the rest of that day. You see me? So let me know what you think. You see me? I say. Alright, so yeah, so viewers and subscribers, really and truly though, I'm going to present to you a video that's going to show a person, and this video is going to show something that some persons call a handcat. You see me? And according to some things that have been said in this piece of video, and according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that the person built this handcat. You see me? And the handcat has an engine. You see me? Jamaica people full of talent, you understand? It's not the first me see a handcat to have an engine, but you know what I mean? We have to beat them up same way, you understand? Yeah, me really and truly want to take a look at this video and tell me what you think, alright? Take a look and observe.
You know, the last time I come down here, I see that youth here work on the car here. Big man thing. And me I said, John, what am I put an engine on a bike? But you are the first me see a man install an engine like this. Watch it. The man put on all the muffler bridging. Watch it. No, them youth are not normal. Them youth are for their German school to learn some real mechanics and engineer. Yeah, man, so what's your name, brother?
Shamar, name, man.
Shamar. Murder. Hear there? Murder. Where? See it there? No family tree, the youth, a Grammy youth. And I'll show me what machine can do, you see it? Yeah man, so you the drive goods out the road out of wholesale and them place there. What you do? Somebody won. You bill it to someone.
Jamaica people full of talent. whole heap of talent galore. You see me I say, yeah, I tell you the truth, me like how the cartel look. Me don't even know if I call this a cart anymore or a hand cart anymore. You understand? Because you have hinging. You see me? Any four-wheel thing or two-wheel thing, as long as it have an engine, you know, me consider it as a motor vehicle in a way. You see me I say? But anyways, you know, on social media, and according to how some persons would call something like this, in Jamaica they would call it a hand cart, you know. Some places in the world they would just call it a cart. You understand? But you don't know. Just to tell you like it is, and you can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you, you know, about the hand cart and so forth. You can let me know what you think about the audio and the other video that I presented to you. So me answer to you, yeah, you can let me know if Pretty Dan really run or if she didn't run or what. You understand? And you can let me know what you think about this whole thing where it is said that Jack you threatened females and something about sex and all these things. You can let me know what you think. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla, you know, wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?